then on page 98, this is what we're going to do. We are going to remind ourselves that slope-intercept form means y equals mx plus b. So like you did in your warm-up, if we are going to graph a linear equation, those were terrible. Okay, then we are going to start at the what? Where are we going to start? With the slope or with the y-intercept? We are going to start with the y-intercept. On the y-axis. Then we are going to count our slope. Rise over run. Now, what we need to be able to do is we need to be able to go backwards. We need to be able to look at a graph. We need to be able to locate, ooh, there's the y-intercept. Ooh, this is what the slope is. And we need to be able to write y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to give you an opportunity first. Okay? I want you to look at that page 99. And down here, numbers 7 through 12, I am going to give you a couple minutes to see, can you write me the y equals mx plus b slope-intercept form of those 6 lines?
You wrote the example graph wrong.
I did?
Yes. It's supposed to go left, not right.
No, we have a positive slope, so I need to rise. Yep, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Okay, so these are absolute value graphs. What you're going to make these. So what we're doing is we're grading them. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. So do you see how in the absolute value, we see the absolute value sign? Okay, that's going to tell us we have a V. Okay, so right now we're not worried about any absolute values. It's just going to be lines from here on out. Does that sound good? Okay. Also, I'm totally okay with you like talking to your neighbor about it. You have 6 lines to write. Y equals mx plus b. Like, you don't have to whisper. You can actually talk to each other. It's totally fine.
Because it's separated by 4, so then the first one would be 1, and the half one would be 2, and the third, wait, what? Huh? Wait,
Yeah, I am wrong.
Like in the middle.
Because it's 5. So like we're counting by 2s. Do you see how it's like 2, 4? So this is 5.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant.
So we're gonna go down. Okay, I'm gonna give you one more minute, then we're gonna talk about these together. All right. What is our y-intercept in number 7? Okay, here we go. Right here, our y-intercept is -1. And then our slope, what our rise would be down how many? And over. So what's our slope? -4/1. If you write -4/1, that's cool. But it really can just be -4, x minus 1. If you have that, great job. No, I will not. Okay. All right. Now, how about for number 8? What's our y-intercept? 0. So you can write +0, but you don't have to write anything if you don't want to. Okay, and then our slope, we have to go up 4/2. Here is where I will be picky. Do not write 4/2. What do I want 4/2 to be reduced to? 2. Please write 2. Do not write 4/2. We are definitely capable of simplifying our slope 4/2 to be 2. Okay. All right. What's our y-intercept in number 9? 1. So we have +1. Our b is +1. Our slope is up how many? 2. Over how many? 2. So I want your slope to be 1. So you can write 1x, or you can write just x plus 1. All right, either one is fine. All right, what's our y-intercept in number 10? I think it's 5. Okay, I think it's 5. Now, here, did you notice that they're counting by 2s? So how many do we go down for our rise? We go down 9 and over 3. So what's our slope?
3.
-3. How do we know that it's negative? Because we are going down. Okay. All right. Y-intercept for number 11. Okay, so we have -2 for our b. And for our slope, it looks like we have to go up 2 over 4. So if we go a rise of 2 and a run of 4, what's our slope? 1/2. Excellent. And then in number 12, what is our y-intercept? That one is 3. And it looks like for our slope, we go down 3 and over 4. So you better have a slope of negative 3 over 4. Vivi.
What about for 11? Why is there another dot?
What?
She's saying there's like
Oh. Did I not go to the dot? I'm sorry. So we could go up 1 over 2 for our slope of 1/2. I looked at it and I thought the dot was there. Sorry about that. Did anybody else use that one? It was just me. I was just the crazy one. Okay. So up 1 over 2, we have a slope of 1/2. Sorry about that. Okay. Make sure you write your X's in there. Okay. Make sure that you write your X next to your slope. Otherwise, it's not the equation of a line with slope. Okay. All right. Now let's turn to the next page. Okay. On the next page, there's no graphs. It will be fine. Can we figure out slope without a graph? We should be able to. Okay? Let's practice finding slope since it was still a little bit rough. Okay? To find slope, we need to take y minus y.
1, 2.
Okay. So I'm going to take 4 minus negative 4.
Plus.
Right?
Plus.
I know, it will turn to plus. And then x minus x. What is 4 minus negative 4? What is 8 minus 0? What's 8 divided by 8? Okay, we know we have a slope of 1. All right, so we have our m. How do we figure out our b?
Don't tell me literal equation.
Theo.
The first equation literally has 0 as its x.
Our first coordinate literally has 0 as its x. What does that mean? If 0 is the x coordinate, then they are giving you the y-intercept. What's our y-intercept, guys? Negative 4. So we have y equals mx plus b. Do I need the 1 there? No, but I'm putting it there for emphasis. Isn't that nifty? Try number 14. Find the slope. Write the y equals mx plus b. Well, I get a drink of water because I'm thirsty. Ready to figure it out? Oh, you guys, after tomorrow, my phone's gonna stop ringing. Election calls. Check in with your neighbor when you get the slope just to see if you match.
Why don't you guys get a vote?
Yeah, I'll vote tomorrow.
What about class? You're like voting.
Oh, yeah, I don't know if I'm a part of that or not, but I'm gonna really vote. Like, for real vote. I cannot say that.
That's weird.
But I am gonna vote. Okay, Zoe, can you just tell me what you have for your y equals mx plus b? You sound like you have a question mark right here. Okay, so she has negative 7 minus 1. And then what should go in the denominator? 0 minus 2. So negative 8 over negative 2. Her slope of 4 is fantastic. But she was kind of questioning what she should put here. So let's go up here. Do one of our coordinates have an x of 0? Okay. This is our y-intercept since our x is 0. So Zoe, what should go here? Minus 7. There we go. Fair? Okay. Do you feel like we've learned anything new today? No. I don't think so either. Okay. Okay, let's look at number 22. 22 is really not any different except what? The notation. We're in function notation. F of 0 equals 10. What does that mean? That means 0, comma 10. F of 7 equals negative 4. What does that mean? Okay, so you, without me, write me y equals mx plus b. Man, I'm like a rhyming machine today. I will not bust out in rap, I will promise you that. Oh, was that like a disappointment?
Yeah.
You should. Just find a copyright free video on YouTube and do it.
You probably didn't.
Where are you getting the apple? Why did you change colors? It was red.
All right. Camden, what do you have for your y equals mx plus b? Connor.
I got,
Did you do it? Get busy. Do you have an answer or no? Start doing it. Theo has an answer. Okay. Theo, what's your answer?
Y equals negative 2x plus 10.
Theo has y equals negative 2x plus 10. I know that I'm good with the plus 10 because our y-intercept is indeed 10. Let's check the slope. We should have negative 4 minus 10 over 7 minus 0. Is negative 14 over 7 negative 2?
no, it's negative 2.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, which is what, that's what I was pointing at. Yep, we're good. Okay. Could you please look at number 25? I don't know what's in the air today, guys, but there's something. An electrician charges an initial fee of $50 and $190 after 4 hours of work. Write a linear model that represents the total cost of a function, total cost as a function of the number of hours worked. What are we doing?
I don't know.
We are writing an equation. We need to write y equals mx plus b. Do we have coordinates?
Not particularly.
But we do. So we know that after 4 hours of work, it's $190. And we know that after $0, it's $50. Interesting. Okay, what do we know from that right now? We know that our y-intercept is 50. Now what do we need to find? We need to find our slope. So 190 minus 50 over 4 minus 0. So what do we have? 140 over 4? Which is 35? Nice. Okay, let's talk about what this means. You told me that the y-intercept was 50, right? In context to the problem, what is the 50 representing? That initial fee. So we know that this is like, hey, our initial fee. Okay, what is the $35 standing for? This is the cost per hour. Let's talk about how we know that. When we found slope, we are talking about the cost over the number of hours. Cost per hour. That's how fractions work. Okay, so our slope is representing cost per hour because we took cost divided by hours. Just like if we took miles divided by hours, miles per hour. Okay. But you know what I love about this? There's literally nothing new. We just did things in a different order to get y equals mx plus b. I like that.